Nailing the perfect medium-rare steak or a flawlessly juicy chicken breast usually means standing over a smoking hot pan, cutting into the meat, and hoping you didn't just ruin an expensive cut of protein. The KitchenBoss Wi-Fi Sous Vide cooker completely removes that anxiety by bringing foolproof, restaurant-quality precision directly into your home kitchen. This sleek, matte black immersion circulator lets you lock in the exact temperature you want so you can walk away and return to a perfectly cooked meal every single time. The coolest feature right off the bat is the bright, colorful TFT touchscreen display built directly into the top of the wand. Unlike basic sous vide machines that force you to fiddle with numbers or guess times, this machine comes preloaded with 25 professional, chef-created recipes. You just swipe through the screen, tap the exact dish you are cooking, like a classic New York strip, and the machine automatically dials in the perfect time and temperature. If you want to step out of the kitchen, it features built-in Wi-Fi connectivity that pairs with your smartphone app. You can monitor the water temperature, adjust the timer, or track dinner's progress from the couch or while running errands down the street. When it comes to raw performance, this machine packs a serious 1100-watt heating element. It warms up large pots of water incredibly fast and uses an advanced thermostatic control chip to hold the temperature steady within a microscopic 0.1 degree Fahrenheit. To keep that water moving uniformly, it uses a high-end, brushless DC motor spinning at 3,800 RPM alongside a 45-degree angled double-sided spiral propeller. This pushes an impressive 20 liters of water per minute around your food to ensure zero cold spots, meaning your food cooks identically from edge to center. The design team also put a massive focus on keeping your kitchen peaceful. Traditional sous vide machines can rattle and hum loudly for hours on end, but the advanced brushless motor and custom water inlet diamond design trap noise at the source. It operates with a whisper-quiet, low-frequency purr that won't disrupt your conversations, your favorite TV show, or your sleep if you are running an overnight cook. Durability and cleanup are completely effortless here as well. The entire lower body and the propeller are forged from premium, food-safe SUS 304 stainless steel using seamless laser welding, making it incredibly tough and entirely rust-proof. The wand carries a full IPX7 waterproof rating, so when you are done cooking, you don't have to delicately wipe it down. You can literally submerge the lower stainless steel sleeve directly into soapy water to wash away any residual oils or grease from the water bath. If you are ready to stop guessing your cook times, upgrade to effortless smart home cooking and enjoy insanely tender, juicy meats that rival the best steakhouses in town. This immersion circulator is an absolute game changer. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know what your favorite cut of steak is, and I will see you in the next video.